Oh, can you please switch on both microphones? Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Chair. Chair, we had 3 scenarios, so I'm actually in the dark now because while I was having lunch, I didn't have enough time to conclude what we've been discussing, so we just came right straight here. So I do not know whether my legal counsel, what they are saying now is what comes from Mrs. van der Heever as instruction or not. So I'm actually in the dark. I don't know what to say.
So basically, you are not really party to what has been announced.
No, we've discussed the options, yes,
Okay.
but I haven't had the time to make up my own mind. So,
All right. Maybe the best is for me to announce the decision. Having considered everything that has been presented to the Commission, my decision is to go ahead to hear Mr. Matlala's application. That's the decision.